In this video, I will show you guys step by step how we make $7,450 in commission every single month with Amazon affiliate marketing using free traffic without investing any money in paid ads. I will share with you my methods, my strategies that helped me to start making like these commissions every single month. So make sure to watch this video until the end. So if you guys skip one step, this business will be really difficult for you and you can start making commissions like this, okay? This is my Amazon affiliate account dashboard. It's not screenshot. I can click here or here. I have tools, promotion, home, reports, and so on, okay? So for people who are interested and you want to start making money with Amazon affiliate marketing, step number one, go to Google and search for this website. Search for Amazon Associate. Click on the first link like this. You will be directly in this page. Click on sign up, scroll down and click on create your Amazon account. You will be directly in this page, and as you can see guys, sign up process is super easy and simple. First, you just need to put your first and last name, your email address, your password, and your password again, and click on create your Amazon account, and that's it. Anyone can sign up. It's for free. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Amazon affiliate marketing, okay? So this will be your Amazon affiliate account dashboard and you should start to see your commissions here, bounties and summary and so on, okay? So what you need to do next is you need to choose a good product that you should start promoting using Pinterest. We will use Pinterest to get free traffic to earn commissions, okay? So how we can choose a good product that people will be interested to buy from you. So what you will do next, you will go to Google, step number two, go to Google and search for Pinterest trend, okay? Not Pinterest trend, search just for Pinterest like this. If you guys don't have Pinterest account, you need to create one. So search for Pinterest, click on this link over here and open your Pinterest account. And make sure to open business account, not personal account. You need to open Pinterest business account. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Pinterest, okay? And what you will do next, you will go back to Google and you need to search for Pinterest trend. Search for this website, okay? Click on the first link and you will be directly in this page. So we need to see what's trending, which product people are searching for on Pinterest, so we can promote those products, so we can earn commissions. You cannot promote any product that you like or that you choose. You need to use Pinterest trend to see what's trending and what people are searching for. So you have this homepage on Pinterest trend. Click over here. You can choose which country you want to target. You have United States, Canada, Italy. Let's choose for example Canada. I'm gonna choose Canada and here you go. Scroll down. You guys can see you have here top trends in Canada this month. This is the product that are trending in this month in Canada. We can click over here to see more keywords and more products. We have outfit ideas, we have wallpaper, we have tattoo ideas, dress to impress, fall nails. Let's check this one for example. I'm gonna check this one, and what you will do next, click over here, go to date and click and choose past 3 months like this, and here you go. You guys can see that the graph of this product is just keep going up. So people are keep searching for this product. That's really good. So what we will do, we will copy the name of this product like this, and we will go to Amazon, go to your Amazon account, click on the search for fall nails, this one. Search for this product that is trending in Pinterest, okay? I want you to pay close attention in this step. Always choose good sellers, okay? Choose good sellers. Choose sellers who has a lot of reviews, so if people click on your product link, they will check if those sellers are good sellers or not, okay? So you need to choose good sellers. So let me see, and of course good products and high quality products. So let me see. if we can find a good one. I think this one is good, but let's scroll down. Press on Niels. We have this one. We have this one. This one is looking good. Over 3,000 people paid for this one. Press on Niels. Oh, also this one is good. Over 11,000 people paid for this. Let's scroll down to see if we can find more. This one is also looking good. It's almost for $7. Okay, so guys, I will choose this product. I think this one is good. So I will click on this product like this. And you will be directly in this product page on Amazon, okay? What you need to do next is you need to go back to your Pinterest homepage. Go back to your Pinterest homepage, click over here on home feed, click on create pin, and here you go. You will be directly in this page. Go back to Amazon, to this Amazon product page, click on the picture of this product like this, and here you go. So what you will do, let me show you. Double click on this picture and you need to save this picture to your laptop. So just click on save picture, click on save, and here you go. Go back to your Pinterest account and click over here and upload this picture about this product. This one. Okay? Click on open. And here you go. You need the title and you need description. Go back to this Amazon product page and copy this title. I will copy this one. It's too much long, so I will copy just this part and I will put this title here. Description. Go back to this Amazon product page. Scroll down. You should see here about this item. This is your description. You can copy this part. I will go back to Pinterest and I will put this description here. So it's too much long. I will delete this part. Okay, I'm gonna delete this part too. Okay, you need to make your description short description, okay? And scroll down. You need to put here your Amazon affiliate link so you can earn commissions. So what you will do, go back to this product page on Amazon. You should already have an Amazon affiliate account. So you can see this bar over here in your Amazon account, okay? You can see this Amazon Associate Site Stripe. So what you will do, you just need to click on text. And here you go. This is your Amazon affiliate link for this product. Copy this affiliate link, go back to Pinterest and put this affiliate link here. Click on choose a board. If you have new account, click on create a board and you just need to give it a name and that's it. And you can create as many as you want. I'm gonna choose this one. You need to put here keywords. Go back to your Pinterest trend account and copy those keywords like this. Go back to Pinterest. Those keywords are very important. Put those keywords here. Go back to Pinterest trend, scroll down. You should see related trends. Copy all those keywords. September nails, fall season nails, French manicure nails, October nails. Copy all those keywords. Go back to Pinterest and put those keywords here. And that's it. After you finish, click on publish. And here you go. You just published your first Amazon affiliate link on Pinterest. That's how we can promote your Amazon affiliate links on Pinterest. You guys can see this. Your pin about nails might be relevant to those growing trends. You guys can see this one is trending. It's keep going up. That's why you should start using Pinterest trend to see what's trending, which products are trending, and start promoting those products if you want to earn commission. If that makes sense, you are promoting product that people are searching for. You will not promote product that you like or that you choose. You need to promote product that people are searching for. That's how we make commissions every single month with Amazon like this. Over $7,000 per month, sometimes $6,000 per month. It's sometimes up to $10,000 per month just using those methods. I'm not just using Pinterest, I'm using YouTube, Facebook groups, YouTube Shorts, I'm using TikTok, I'm using Instagram, and so much more to get these commissions. Okay, if you are interested and you want to see more videos about Amazon affiliate marketing, comment in this video Amazon Associate, and I will start making more videos and share with you guys more methods that will help you to earn your first commissions. Okay, thank you so much for watching. If you have any question, just leave it in the comments, and see you in my next videos.